If you want to fix sound volume on Amazon Fire Stick, you are at the right place. We have got the easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Check the sound settings. From the settings of the Amazon Fire Stick, select Display and Sounds. Next, select Audio. Then go to Surround Sound. This setting specifies audio output for your connected HDMI audio devices like TV, AVR, or soundbar. Once you get into the surround sound settings, you will get several options like Best Available, PCM, Dolby Digital Plus, Dolby Digital. The best available may not always be the best sound option for your setup. Try the settings and see which one gives you the best result. You can try PCM, and this should be a lot louder for you. Keep on checking with each setting till you find one that suits your setup the most. Next, you can head back to the Audio tab. Select Advanced Audio. You will see Volume Leveler inside it. This sets a consistent volume level across your streaming content apps. Next, you will find Dialogue Enhancer settings. It boosts the vocals to make it easier to understand the dialogue. Next is AV Sync tuning. If your audio is delayed or out of sync, you can adjust the slider till the video and audio are in sync. If the audio is not working, try unplugging the Amazon Fire Stick for about a minute and then plug it back in. Or you can hold down the home button on your remote and open Settings. Select My Fire TV, then select Restart. Once your Fire Stick completely restarts, the audio issues should be fixed. Also, make sure to check for any loose connections. You can try switching inputs like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, etc. And there you have it, the way to fix the sound volume on Amazon Fire Stick. We hope the method has worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this method. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.